You've been carrying your entire household on one income. Let's change that today. Now, this is not a quit your job tomorrow video. We're chasing stability, options, and most of all, peace. Not some viral method that won't work, or even if it works once, you can't recreate it. In today's video, I'm going to talk to you about 7 different income streams that you can start from home. That's even as a beginner, and yes, even while you're working your regular 9 to 5. And take care of your family. No experience necessary, no follower count needed, and most importantly, no course to buy. So if you're truly tired of living paycheck to paycheck and want some breathing room, or even a way or two that you can replace your current income, you're going to want to go ahead and save this video. And if you're joining me on my Savage 90 challenge, where we're working to replace our income within the next 90 days, let me know in the comments, because we start December 1st. Now let's get into it. Stream number 1, affiliate marketing. It's beginner friendly, no audience is needed. And when I say no audience, I truly mean you can start with no audience at all. Literally. And the best part is you can literally start this right after you watch this video. When you think about affiliate marketing, I want you to think about you going out, purchasing a pair of jeans that fits you to a T. Then you call your best friend and tell them how well that pair of jeans fits. During that conversation, you tell them how much you paid for them, where you got them, and how they make your ass sit oh so right. Then after talking to you, your friend runs over to that same store and grabs the exact pair in their size and calls you back and tells you how right you are. Except with affiliate marketing, imagine that you get a commission for every pair of jeans that friend brought. It sounds almost too good to be true. Well, affiliate marketing is that simple. It's just that we overcomplicate it. With affiliate marketing, you are simply just sharing the products that you use and love to your friends, family, and now your followers. It just so happens that if someone clicks that link and purchases from you, you get a small commission on the back. No extra charge to them, but all the benefit to you. You can consider this a kickback from the brand for you doing free advertising for them. And the truth is, you're probably already doing this when you recommend products and services to your friends and family. Just now, you get a little bit of commission on the back end. And like I said in the beginning of this video, you can start affiliate marketing today with products that you have around your house. That air fryer you use, your favorite winter skincare routine, or even the vacuum that you push around your living room. To start affiliate marketing today, I recommend that you sign up with Amazon Associates or Influencer, Magic Links, Walmart Creator, or even Binnable. And if you would like a breakdown of fees or recommend my favorite products, let me know down in the comments and we can do a deep dive video into affiliate marketing. Stream number 2, UGC. Pay for creating content without being an influencer. I love UGC. The fact that a brand can pay me $250 for a 30-second video and I don't have to post that video on my social is chef's kiss to me. UGC stands for user-generated content. And if you think you haven't seen these videos before, you have. If you scrolled on TikTok or Instagram, you've come across a UGC video or two. Maybe even one of mine. UGC videos are videos where a brand has contracted a creator to do either one of those talking head testimonials or this changed my life reaction videos. They usually say hashtag ad, sponsor, or commissions earned in the captions. Hashtag ad and sponsor are usually a true indicator that the brand paid that creator to create a video for them. And then the brand takes the video that the creator paid and posts it on their socials. Now there's organic UGC and non-organic UGC. Non-organic UGC is usually when a brand puts spend behind a video to allow it to get more. But as a UGC creator, make sure that you are clear in your terms and conditions, because if they're putting ad spend behind that video and it gets massive reach, you're going to want more coin than what they're offering you in the beginning. To get started with UGC, I recommend that you download the app Kale today. Kale is a great app for you to take 1 or 2 challenges and see if UGC is cut out for you. But if you know that UGC is something that you want to do, I'm going to recommend that you start with Coley, Kale, Join Brands, and Billo. Just use those platforms to get some experience under your, and then stick to Coley and cold pitching. The reason I recommend that you lightly touch Kale, Join Brands, and Billo is because the pay rate is very low. With Join Brands, they will pay you $5 for a video, whereas though Billo will pay you anywhere between $30 to $80 for a video, depending on the ask of the company and if you have to do 45 seconds or more of talking in that video. Now, when it comes to Kale, it is literally Kale chips that will indicate what you're going to get paid for the video. So 2 pieces of Kale is a moderate payout. 3 pieces of Kale is going to be your $21 and up for a video, and 1 piece of Kale is very low rate, so it's about $10 to $11. These 3 platforms are great for you to get started, but won't provide you with enough sustainable income that's going to keep you coming back. That's what Coley and Code Pitching is for. Coley by far is one of the most used platforms for UGC creators. So yes, there's a lot of competition there. However, if you land a Coley deal, you can guarantee that your payout is going to be anywhere between $50 to $1,000 as a brand new creator. So once you've gotten your practice and done about 5 videos, I recommend that you stick with Coley, Code Pitching, and Fiverr. This is where you're going to get your monthly retainer clients. Start to see some monthly contract. And the best part about UGC, you can start with your ring light, a mic, and your phone. When a brand is contracting a creator to do a UGC video, they want it to feel more realistic, not too high polished. But as you cater to your craft and become a UGC creator, you will find your flow, style, and even your signature vibe that will keep brands coming back to you for more content. Now, I can talk about UGC all day. So if you want any more tips on how to become a UGC creator, let me know in the comments, and that'll be another video that we can do. I remember when I started, I had so many questions. So please, at any time during this video, let me know what your questions are. I want to help you succeed. Moving us into stream number 3. Digital products. When I say digital products, I want you to think templates, guides, journals, or even to-do lists. Every creator that you see on social media talking about grab my ebook is selling a digital product. Digital products are an easy, informative way that you can share your story, be it how to become a truck driver, how to potty train as a first-time mom, or even a house cleaning routine for a busy family of 5. Where there's a clear, identifiable problem, there's a digital product to solve it. With digital products, it's all about marketing and price. So that being said, this will require you to use sites like Gumroad, Etsy, or even making a social media account dedicated to that problem that you solve. And if you're an introvert person like myself, you can start and monetize a blog. That blog will not only sell your digital product, but you can put affiliate links on that blog as blending the 2 income streams together, stacking them. Now, do you get where I'm going here? For digital products, you're going to need access to a design site like Canva. And if you're not sure how to use Canva, no worries. Look in the pinned comment below this video. There will be a link to my Canva crash course. Free gift for you today just for watching this video. There's also something called PLR. With PLR, you're purchasing a license from the original creator to sell it as your own. However, and I do mean however, you must tweak and modify that PLR document significantly in order for you to sell it as your own. If you want to know more about digital products or PLR, leave me a comment below or check out my She Makes Money Moves blueprint that's listed in the pinned comment below. Now, stream number 4, remote services. Things like becoming a virtual assistant or admin are great ways to leverage your skills. Now, this stream of income requires you to be active. You will have to spend time after your current 9-to-5 and juggling your household to do the assigned tasks that you were hired to do. For this stream in particular, you're going to want to set up a Fiverr or Upwork account and market your skill sets there. Let people know what tasks they can hire you for. Be bookkeeping, be it light admin, clerical, or bookkeeping duties. Set your rate and your turnaround time and watch the orders roll in. Now, this stream is not for everyone, but if you enjoy admin or clerical work, I say go for it. So many people, including myself, hire people on sites like these to do tedious tasks that we don't have time to do. Things like clean out my email box, create a logo, edit my videos, or even build me shareable lists for my blog site. Virtual assistants are usually affordable, and they take the stress off of some tedious tasks that some of us just don't want to do. That went to one of my favorite streams, stream number 5, notary services. Okay, hear me out. Becoming a notary is not only a great look, but it's also a 6-figure business within itself. Think outside of taking oaths, acknowledgments, and loan signings, and start thinking about medical directives, I-9 verification, mobile fingerprinting, field agent, and so much more. Being a commissioned notary in your state opens opportunities for all of these. Now, to become a notary, in some states, you can walk into your local Secretary of State and just be sworn in. In others, like mine, you have to take a 3-hour course, a test, and then wait to be approved and sworn in. And that process can take you up to 45 days. But being someone who recently went through the process of becoming a commissioned notary, this is what I recommend. Research the requirements for your state. If you are required to take a 3-hour course, sign up for that course immediately. This course can range anywhere between $20 to $50. Then once you do the 3-hour course, go ahead and study for your test. I took a week to study and schedule my exam. Cost me an additional $65 to take. And I was able to take it from the comfort of my home. Once you've passed your test, it's going to take your state anywhere between 3 to 4 weeks to send you your approval letter. During that time, I want you to research E&O insurance. Bond amount for a notary is around $10,000 to $15,000. And if I remember correctly, mine's cost me right under $25 for 4 years. During this time, we're still waiting on the approval letter from the state. So start researching where you're going to get your stamp and supplies from. And if you would like my budget-friendly notary supply list, it's on my storefront. After you receive your approval letter, I recommend that you look into setting up your business LLC with your state. This way, once you have your approval and the sworn in, your stamp will in turn take another 3 to 5 business days to come in, but you will have your business website and socials up and running and ready to put your stamp to good use. But remember, this video is about 7 income streams that you can do from home. So you're probably saying, Jess, how can I do notary services from home? What I want you to do is look at your state and see if it offers remote notary services. That's right, as a remote commission notary, you can perform oaths, acknowledgments, loan signings, I-9 verifications, and medical directives all online. It will require you to sign up for a notary platform and to purchase a digital seal, which usually costs under $50. But again, we can go over all of that in another video. Just let me know in the comments if you're interested in becoming a notary, and I'll create that for you. But side note, I highly recommend that you put this stream under your belt. It is one of those income streams that you can cut on immediately, just in case your primary source of income stops today. Leading us to income stream number 6, print on demand. Now, print on demand. It's simple merch, no inventory. This one is for my creators. If you enjoy making t-shirts, bags, mugs, cups, or even earrings, this stream of income is for you. With print on demand, it's going to definitely require you to market your product, because if no one knows that your design exists, how can they buy it? To create these designs, you're going to use Canva plus an AI image generator. My favorites are Nano Banana, ChatGPT, or Kittle. Have the AI generate an image for you, put that image in Canva, and then upload it to a print-on-demand site, such as Printify. With print on demand, you can even sell your products on Amazon and Walmart Marketplace. Using Amazon and Walmart Marketplace gives you instant access to billions of people all over the world, taking the pressure off of your marketing, allowing you to focus on designing. And last but not least, income number 7, content creation as an asset and not virality. Everybody on social media talks about going viral, but what if that's not your goal? You can truly start content creation as an asset to your income streams. As a hairstylist, you can post your methods in your hair designs, or even how-to videos for people like me that just wants a good wash at home. As a realtor, you can do virtual or even video listings for potential clients in your area. As a notary, you can make simple videos letting people know what services you offer, or even why it's important to have certain documents apostille. Becoming a content creator is not about chasing. I started this channel to help people like me, those who wanted to build multiple streams of income and just did not know where to start. They were tired of hearing all of the gurus say that you can make $20,000, $30,000 a month by selling a course on the back end. I wanted to focus on people like me, those who wanted to build multiple streams of income and not be stuck to one job for the rest of their life. And you can do the same. You can document your journey with weight loss, motherhood, or even reinventing yourself. You do not have to put on an influencer mask or imitate anybody else that you see online. Just show up as imperfectly you. Grab your phone, a light from the window, and maybe a tripod and get started. Being a content creator is what you make it. As an introvert, I use it as a creative outlet to teach people things that I know. The biggest takeaway for me is to focus on that one person that you're helping, not focus on a massive sea of other things people flock to. Once you identify the purpose that you're creating your video, it becomes so much easier to talk to the camera and fall in love with creating. But starting, that's the hard part. Real talk. Pick one stream and start gently. You're not looking for one big time payout. You are stepping out of survival mode and building financial stability for you and your. No more getting paid Friday morning and being broke by Friday afternoon. And since you made it this far in the video, don't forget to do me a favor and do all of the things like comment, share, and subscribe. Check out my pinned comment for a couple free resources, and let me know below which stream you decided to start today. And of course, I'll see you in the next one. Love you, bye.